Charlie Golf, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, November 238, Charlie Golf.
Liner, arrive 02, vacate line taxi Alpha, Echo to gate 8, monitor ground 120.7.
Echo to 8, JetBlue 779 will monitor ground.
238 Charlie Golf, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees 18 knots.
07, November 238, Charlie Golf.
Six, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees 16 knots. Sangster International, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait 07 for JetBlue 380.
Six, arrive at 05, vacate by taxi Alpha, Echo to gate 12, monitor ground 120.7.
Alpha Echo gate 12, monitor 1 to 1.7, Copa 146.
380, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 050 degrees 15 knots.
Golf 07 for JetBlue 380.
Airborne 07, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
0.8, good day to you, JetBlue 380.
Tower, hello, WestJet 2566.
566, continue runway 07, wind 080 degrees 17 knots. And wind 060 degrees 16 knots.
07, WestJet 2566.
Delta 1955 on the RNP runway 7.
1955, Montego Bay, continue approach runway 07, wind 090 degrees 171.
Delta 1955.
Sangster Tower, good morning. 20, Sangster Tower, make a direct approach to the jet center remain south and clear of the approach path runway, correction, the departure path runway 07, QNH 1015, wind 090 degrees, 17 knots. 66, arrive 16, vacate by taxi Alpha who short of Echo, contact ground 127.
Alpha, short of Echo over to 217 WestJet 25.
1955, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 16 knots.
To land runway 07 Delta 1955.
arrive 1 Nano, vacate by taxi Alpha to gate 3, monitor ground 927.
Gate 3, monitor ground Delta 1955.
Sangster Tower.
I'm 20 by the jet center with 2 souls, approximately 1 hour 45 on the fuel. Requesting vertical easterly for the military.
0, Roger. Wind 080 degrees, 25 knots. Proceed to the military. QNH 1016.
Proceed to the military. I'm stopping at 20.
No, 462, arrive 25, vacate contact room 127.
That's what's under the exit via Alpha United 1462.
Target afternoon Southwest 9R18R in 07.
East Sangster Tower, continue approach. Wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
9R18.
Degrees, 21 knots.
07 Southwest 9R18. What a military Alpha.
Roger. Next contact ground 127.
Let's go up in 20. American 855, 11 miles final.
855 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, from 070 degrees, 20 knots.
American 855.
Arrive 30, vacate by taxi Alpha, contact ground 127. 855, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots.
Clear to land 07, American 855.
Tower, good evening, Copa 381, ready for departure, runway 07.
381 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up runway 07, Copa 381.
5, arrive 34, vacate at taxiway Alpha, contact ground 120.7.
Ground point 7, American 855.
degrees, 19 knots.
For takeoff, runway 08, Copa.
Airborne 37, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
108, Copa 381. Have a good day.
997, Sangster Tower.
Airdoff 197 with the RNP 07.
997, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 25 knots.
Runway 7, Delta 1997.
Seven, arrive 41, vacate at taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7, good day.
1 Delta 7, Delta 197, good day.
Continue approaching 07, wind 090 degrees, 27 knots.
For Delta,
Juliet November Alpha Sangster Tower, cleared for takeoff runway 07 intersection Delta, wind 080 degrees, 21 knots, bustling 26.
For takeoff, rolling 07, November Alpha.
6 November Alpha, remain north and clear of approach path runway 07, traffic, Boeing 738, 7 miles final, 2,300 descending.
Looking normal.
272 traffic Cessna 206, 1.5 miles north of station, proceeding westbound, climbing to 1,000.
Cessna 272, and confirm clear land.
Okay, so land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 24 knots.
Clear land 2707, Delta 272.
Very good afternoon on the jet, November 824 Gold Bravo, holding short of runway 07.
Bravo Sangster Tower, short runway 07. 0 Sangster Tower.
By departure of 2410, 45 on the fuel, requesting easterly right turn out for Negril.
Zero, standby. Go Bravo, line up and wait, runway 07.
Don't wait, 07, 24 Golf Bravo.
72, arrive 54, vacate by taxiway, Alpha, contact ground, 127.
So contact ground, Southwest 272, thanks.
0, make easterly departure, right turn approved, QNH 1015, wind 090 degrees 14 knots, remain open clear for departure, path runway 07.
15, wings open clear, clear to the departure, copy 20.
824, Golf Bravo, clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 080 degrees 21 knots.
07, 24 Golf Bravo.
Copy 20, thanks.
Or 77780, clearance to Kennedy.
Zero contact, Sangster International Airport.
It's over to you.
Runway 07, wind 080 degrees 16 knots.
And run yourself, 30.
Sangster 11, 26 is within sequence.
1126, Sangster Total, short runway 07.
Short runway 077. 11.
Line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, JetBlue. 11.
Go 50, arrive at 06, vacate by taxiway, Charlie, contact ground 127.
Charlie, then go 21.
26, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 070 degrees 22 knots.
07, Jumbo 1126.
One 126, airborne 07, contact Sangster radar, 120.8, good day.
Coming up on road 7.
Thank you, Juliet, November Alpha, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, surface wind 100 degrees, 27 knots.
Capital in normal.
1957, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, Delta 1957.
American 3154, arrive 27, vacate Alpha, contact Sangster ground 121.7.
Hit Alpha, in for the ground 121.7, American 3154.
Wind 090 degrees, 21 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, Delta 1957.
November Alpha, clear to land runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 24 knots.
Clear to land, capital in normal.
So 1957 airborne 29er, contact Sangster radar 120.8, good day.
Hey, Delta 1957, great day.
Sangster flight 124, just did some additional checks, not seeing a flight plan here for you.
Okay, thanks for checking. We'll call company again.